What's up, Motor Seduce Television Gang? I'm back with another video, and as you can see, we about to get this Walbro in. Walbro 450. I don't know if I'm gonna install it or not today. Let me look at stuff before I start cutting things. This one goes back in here. This is the wire I'm gonna need to get. So, I'm gonna take y'all step by step with it. I'll get back to y'all. Okay, guys. So, got this off. Back to y'all because I don't want nothing like splash in my face. Nothing like that. So we got it out. This one goes on the top, and there's 2 return lines. This goes, I don't want that falling in it, but that goes to the second fuel pump. I'm gonna have to take some stuff off of this one because I don't have the parts. I'm gonna need this. I left them. Need this, then the black piece under. I'm gonna show y'all when I put it back together. Take everything apart. I get back to it's like an hour later. I've been looking for the piece like this. You know, it clipped right in here, but this one doesn't. So what I've been thinking about is just cutting it and then zip tying it. I went all the way across town for nothing. It was here the whole time. So I snipped the end right here. I'm gonna crimp both wires right quick and then put this tab on the end. And then that should be it. That bow fits right in the basket. So you know, OEM. I'm about to see. Alright, I'm gonna do this wiring right quick and I'm gonna get right back. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, we getting somewhere, so that's the next step. I still ain't wiring. I wanna sit it down in there right quick, and then I'm gonna take it right back out to see what and what not I have. Alright, so everything arrived, you know, to the best of my abilities. We're gonna go in here in the back seat, put everything back out, and get it back in. So this is what I'm fighting with right now. I have to get this down as far as I can on there because the factory, you know, wire over where it used to clip on, it won't fit around this, so I had to do this and then probably cut it a little bit to get that on. And that'll probably be it. Should be fully installed and I could put everything back together. But for now, I stopped for a second because you know my fingers start hurting. So I'm gonna try again and then I get back with it. I revved it once before I started the video, guys, but I don't know, she seemed happy. not really a run. But the car usually falls on its face after second gear. So when I consistently throttled it. So we're gonna see how that goes. I just started it, so we'll get back to y'all when I'm about to leave. I just noticed something, you guys. Our cars usually only rev out to 4,000. I did not do anything to it. Nothing. No tune at all. 4,500. Well, just a little over, but I don't want to make too much noise. Watch this. Before they lock this gate. Well, it didn't even make it to second gear.